Welcome back, everyone. Whether it's a night on the patio, drinks at the bar, or maybe just a sensational meal, this place covers all the bases. And from what I hear, it's also a spot with some really good love connections. Let's meet at Stone Werks.
And I was a regular every Thursday for years, and that's how I have a lot of my close friends.
It's a phrase San Antonians have been saying for 20 years. This spot has it all. A beautiful patio.
I love the place. I love the energy.
A rockin' kitchen.
I love their food, I love their drinks, just a great place.
That's a big drink. Plus, Stone Werks boasts more than 40 beers on tap and a fantastic wine list to go with. So bottom line,
it makes the average Joe look like a hero.
Executive Chef Tommy Johnson may have something there. Could be why so many meetups and even marriages are all part of this longtime restaurant's history. This menu is alive with so many mouth-watering choices, so many affordable ones. Like this stunning stack of thinly sliced prime rib, piled high on toasted sourdough with gooey, melted Gruyere cheese and crispy onion rings. Or this colorful shrimp and avocado salad, sculpted with field greens and cucumber, topped with raspberry vinaigrette. And the panko-crusted sea bass with garlic whipped potatoes and sautéed baby green beans, all atop a sea of Grand Marnier butter sauce.
My original Stonework memories are from the first Stoneworks that ever existed in Alamo Heights area, out by the quarry.
So, did you ever go to the original Stone Werks?
Absolutely.
Everyone did.
Everyone did. Yeah,
Everyone did. Meet at Stone Werks.
Yeah, meet at Stone Werks. Yeah.
And you know, honestly, 20 years later, that really hasn't changed.
No.
But Stone Werks has changed and grown and evolved. Thanks in part to corporate chef Tommy Johnson, who's helped develop and expand the menu.
This is the Irish Cowboy.
Long known for juicy burgers, sensational salads, and pizzas, Stoneworks' menu now offers some fine dining options at an affordable price point, making it the perfect place to grab a great meal after work, take in a game.
You know how many Spurs championships that I watched at Stoneworks?
Or even enjoy a special date night.
And it's terrific. It's phenomenal.
Popular right now is this red fish on the half shell, topped with red onion, tomato, and chopped cilantro, then drizzled with melted butter and a squeeze of fresh lime and orange. One of his innovations, a popular raw seafood bar. Oysters are the hit here. Tommy gives them a Texas twist. They get a dab of chipotle butter, smokiness from the grill, and sweetness from a shot of cognac.
This sauce right here it's a cream reduction with white wine, shallots, garlic, some red pepper,
and cheddar cheese on top. That might be better than fajitas.
Yeah, it's a show going to the table.
Is this one of the dishes that the average Joe is going to look pretty darn special
Absolutely.
when this comes to
Yeah,
the
exactly,
table?
Exactly.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
Those are delish. The chef also introduced me to this dish, a tantalizing pan-seared ahi tuna with a spicy toasted coconut sauce.
This is Coco Lopez.
Oh, I love that stuff.
Yes, me too. I like it in pina coladas. This is when we add just a little bit of our bouillon.
That's that shrimp stock?
Mm-hmm. That just loosens up the sauce a bit.
Oh, wow. Then sriracha to taste and fresh cilantro.
Sweet, but it has just a little nuance of just kind of that toasty.
And the
toasty,
shallots.
Yeah.
And the garlic.
Yeah.
And it's sweet and it's
Yeah,
spicy and it's got
exactly.
it all going on. That is a good sauce.
Right,
okay.
right.
I love that dish so much, I made it the next night. I'll show you how in just a few minutes.
Really enjoy it. At one of my favorite restaurants in San Antonio.
I love this place. I recommend it to anybody.
Time now to find out how to make that delicious coconut spicy sauce that we had at Stone Werks with my go-to chef at H-E-B Cooking Connections, Belinda, to show us how we can do this at home. And it is easy. I've done it.
Yes, this is going to be really quick, Tanji. We're going to use vegetable broth. You can use sriracha or sambal oelek, some coconut cream in the can.
Coco Lopez, who doesn't remember this?
Of course, everybody should know this. And then we've got fresh garlic, fresh cilantro, some green onions and scallions. We're going to serve it on some pan-seared salmon, Tanji.
Let's do it.
Let's cook. A nice heavy skillet on some medium heat. Sweat your garlic and onions and that Sicilian olive oil. You can only get at H-E-B.
And it's wonderful if you haven't tried it.
There's your onions and your shallots. We're going to sweat these together until they get nice and soft and tender. It's okay to also put a lid on top of this for a couple of minutes to help the moisture stay in and let the veg get nice and soft. Next, you're going to go ahead and add in, here's your vegetable broth and the Coco Lopez, Tanji. I suggest the Coco Lopez, warm it up before you measure it. And finally, we're going to use the sambal oelek. This is a chunky garlic chili paste. You're going to stir this together, Tanji, and it's going to come to a boil. Let it thicken and reduce. And it's okay if it gets a nice heavy boil, nothing's going to hurt. This gets nice and caramelized and thick and syrupy. To finish it, put in your cilantro, stir it together.
Which adds a really nice brightness to it.
Vibrant flavors. These flavors remind me of something from Vietnam. Go ahead, put your sauce on the plate. And then we're using the Adams Umami Bond seasoning on the salmon fillets. Go ahead and do a nice pan sear. Put it on your plate like that. A little more spring onions for the garnish. And there's an easy restaurant-style dinner at home. Just how I
It is
like.
so easy. The night we shot at Stone Werks, I made it at home, and it was phenomenal. We ate every last bite. You will too. The recipe's on goodtaste.tv. Thank you. My wine finds of the week are coming up. But next, Austin's best beats and eats from ACL. Good Taste will be right back. Good Taste with Tanji is brought to you in part by H-E-B.